how to download your n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download or take a local pull of your n8n workflow. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your n8n instance. Since I run n8n locally, I have launched my local n8n instance. Now the next thing that we need to do is simply open that particular workflow which you want to download. And once the workflow gets opened, simply click onto these three dots and from here click onto this download button. And you will see that your workflow has been successfully downloaded as a file. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, please do make sure to give it a like. Let us know in the comments if you want any suggestions to be improved upon. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. So that was all for this particular video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.